Number 1, what is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Machines programmed to mimic human intelligence can learn, reason, and solve problems. Examples: chatbots, virtual assistants, e.g., Siri, Alexa. Number 2, how does AI work? Works through machine learning algorithms, analyzes large data sets to identify patterns, uses neural networks to simulate human brain processes. Key technologies: natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, predictive analytics. Number 3, AI benefits in 2025: increased automation in industries, enhanced healthcare diagnostics and treatments, smarter cities with improved infrastructure, energy efficiency and climate change solutions, personalized education and learning experiences. Number 4, what are the advantages of AI? Saves time and increases efficiency, reduces human error, automates repetitive tasks, provides insights through data analysis, enables smarter decision making. Number 5, how to take benefits from AI. Stay updated with AI trends, learn AI tools and platforms, e.g., Python, TensorFlow. Implement AI in your business processes, use AI for content creation, marketing, and automation. Take courses to enhance AI skills. Number 6, how AI can make life easy and profitable. Simplifies daily tasks, e.g., smart home devices, assists in financial planning and investments, helps in creating online businesses with minimal effort, freelancing opportunities using AI tools, e.g., AI design, coding, develop AI-based apps or services to generate income,